Dispute resolution has changed as well. No more going to MM. There's now another process that you have to look at. All right, so what is this process as well? One other interesting thing is this, recognizing MCs. So previously, many companies say I can only recognize medical leave from those company-approved clinics or the government clinics. Today they say you can go to any clinic and the MC has to be recognized. All right, so that's what it means here. All right, now it applies to all employees, existing as well as newly hired. And you should look at those that have been impacted by the changes.